In this question, you have to identify the algae that contains mannitol as reserve food material. Option A, Eulothrix. It is incorrect. It is a green algae and the reserve food material is starch, not mannitol. Option B, Ectocarpus. Now, it is a brown algae and the brown algae store reserve food materials in the form of mannitol and laminary. Hence, it is the correct option. Option D, Gracilaria. It is incorrect. It is a red algae and red algae store food mainly as Floridian starch and not mannitol. Option D, Volvox. It is also incorrect. It is a green algae and hence it stores starch as the reserve food material.